Keyboard replacement on a 5480. Latitude 5480. Keyboard's bad. We're gonna replace the keyboard on a 5480. First step is popping this out. That's number one to do. You have to pop it out if you guys see it. So there. There's just 2 screws in here, huh? That side. This one. Actually, how many screws does it have?
5 or 6.
5 or 6 screws.
2, 3, 4, 5, and this should be it.
Close it up. Flip it around. Now, which screws do you have to unscrew for you here?
I'm going to remove the battery.
The battery. Disconnect the battery, I mean. So you disconnect the battery from here, so we deactivate the battery. And sometimes that battery has adhesive in the bottom, like a little tape or anything. But a couple of screws.
Like this. 4 ribbons.
Let me see the ribbons. Where are the ribbons? Oh, you remove the ribbons. How many? 4 of them? 4 ribbons. Once the ribbons are removed, the screws are too. Need something sharp in the corner to pick up the. So you have to slide this keyboard back. You have to lift it up first. Make sure the ribbons are off completely. There is no screws attached to it. So it was stuck between the tape. Just pull it out. Those, let me see the. These are the 3 important 4 ribbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the ones that are holding up the whole keyboard. So just make sure you take off all the screws too. Pull it forward, pull it back. So it was in here. Pull it up, back. That's pretty much what you have to do. And this is the most difficult part of the keyboard.
So you want to slide this in first.
Yeah, the ribbon's going first.
Then you pull it out a little bit.
A little bit out, a little tilt out a little bit. And on the other side, you just pull the ribbons back from the back. There we go. Keyboard's in. And we screw the keyboard, snapped in. There we go. See? Here's the hard part. This is the hard part right here. Go. Last part, so let me just review where you put the cables in there. Oops. So this one's one cable right here, and you gotta snap it in. Here's the other one. Here's the other one, and the last one right here. Actually, right here, I'm sorry, right here. This one right here. That's it. Just screw it in.
So if you like this review on installing the keyboard, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.